Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2123 indicates a malfunction in the APP sensor A, often referred to as the throttle position TP sensor D, which is integral for the engine's performance and drivability. This particular issue signifies that there is a circuit high voltage condition affecting how the vehicle responds to accelerator input. The APP sensor is located on the throttle body, and it plays a crucial role in converting the position of the accelerator pedal into a corresponding voltage signal that the powertrain control module PCM interprets. When the DTC code is triggered, a thorough inspection of the sensor and associated wiring is essential to confirm the extent of the problem. Proper troubleshooting is necessary to ensure all related components are functioning correctly, which can prevent further complications. Understanding this DTC is crucial for mechanics working on Honda HRVs from 2016 to 2022 to ensure the accurate diagnosis and repair of the issue. The DTC P2123 pertains to a malfunction in the APP sensor A circuit, specifically indicating a high voltage condition. This sensor is responsible for measuring the opening angle of the throttle valve, thereby communicating with the PCM to adjust fuel flow accordingly. The APP sensor is located within the throttle body assembly, making it critical for maintaining optimal engine performance and emissions. A high voltage reading suggests that the sensor may be unable to accurately relay the throttle position, leading to potential drivability issues. Verification of the DTC may involve examining related wiring, confirming voltage outputs, and understanding the circuit's integrity. In many cases, initial diagnostics will indicate that troubleshooting should focus on the sensor accuracy and its electrical connections. The DTC P2133 can stem from several potential causes. One of the primary issues could be a defective APP sensor itself, which fails to produce the correct voltage reading. Additionally, wiring problems can contribute to this DTC by introducing resistance or short circuits within the electrical system. Poor connections at both the sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM, can exacerbate the issue, interrupting the flow of accurate signals. It's also important to consider other related components' integrity when diagnosing this code, as malfunctioning parts can cause or mimic the symptoms associated with the APP sensor circuit. Maintaining a clear understanding of these causes beforehand equips technicians with the knowledge to conduct effective troubleshooting and repairs. When the DTC P2123 is triggered in the Honda HRV, the driver may experience various symptoms linked to the malfunctioning APP sensor. One prevalent symptom includes reduced engine performance, as incorrect throttle position readings can lead to improper fuel delivery. This situation invariably affects acceleration responsiveness, making the vehicle's reaction to pedal input feel laggy or unresponsive. Another common indication is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, prompting the need for immediate attention. These symptoms can adversely affect the driving experience, necessitating thorough diagnostics to identify the root cause. Addressing these issues early can avert more significant engine problems that may arise from continued operation under these conditions. For the first troubleshooting step regarding DTC P2123, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Once the vehicle is in this position, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check the parameters of the APP sensor A. Specifically, you need to look for voltage readings. A high reading of more than 4.9 volts indicates a potential circuit malfunction. If the readings confirm this high voltage, the problem is duplicated, warranting a move to the next troubleshooting step. If not, it suggests an intermittent issue, and further inspection of the connections at both the APP sensor and the PCM is essential. Confirming conditions is crucial as it sets the foundation for accurate diagnostics moving forward. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P2123, first, turn the vehicle to the off lock mode. After ensuring the vehicle is off, disconnect the APP sensor's 6-pin connector. Following this, re-engage the vehicle's ignition to the on mode. It is critical to measure the voltage between test points 1 and 2 on the APP sensor 6P connector while it is disconnected. Test point 1 is the connector's number 4 terminal, and test point 2 is the number 2, 5 terminal. If the voltage reads close to 5.0 volts, this indicates that the APP sensor is likely faulty, necessitating its replacement. Should the voltage not meet this threshold, it directs attention to further diagnostic steps, indicating additional issues within the circuit. The third troubleshooting step for DTC P2123 involves checking the continuity of the SG4 wire. First, ensure that the vehicle is in the off lock mode. Utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line before proceeding to next steps. Disconnect the PCM connector labeled A51P, which houses the critical connections for the electronic throttle control. Following this, connect terminals A and B with a jumper wire. Terminal A corresponds to the APP sensor 6P connector number 5, while terminal B is connected to the body ground. The focus now shifts to testing for continuity between specific test points. Test point 1 is PCM connector A51P number 48, and test point 2 is the body ground. If continuity is established, this confirms the SG4 wire is intact, and further steps may involve updating or replacing the PCM if necessary. After completing the troubleshooting and necessary repairs for DTC P2123, the final verification process is crucial. Start by rechecking the DTC status using the Honda Diagnostic System to confirm that the code has been cleared and no new codes are present. It's essential to conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various conditions to ensure that the previous symptoms do not reappear, and that the engine responds correctly to accelerator input. During this drive, monitor performance and look for signs of improvement in throttle response and overall drivability. If there are any lingering issues, it could indicate additional problems that were not previously addressed. Ultimately, proper verification confirms that the repairs were successful, thereby ensuring vehicle reliability and driver safety. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P2123 in the Honda HRV, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Begin with periodically inspecting the APP sensor connections to ensure they are secure and free from corrosion or damage over time. This practice helps maintain the integrity of the electrical signals transmitted to the PCM. In addition to connection checks, it is wise to evaluate the wiring for signs of wear, fraying, or insulation damage, as these issues can lead to undesirable circuit behavior. Cleaning the throttle body contributes to optimal performance by preventing contaminants from affecting sensor readings. Integrating these maintenance tasks into routine vehicle care significantly reduces the likelihood of similar DTC occurrences, thus enhancing vehicle longevity and reliability. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P2123 in the Honda HRV is crucial for ensuring proper vehicle functionality and driver safety. This code primarily indicates an issue with the APP sensor A, which requires systematic troubleshooting to accurately pinpoint the underlying cause. Following the specific steps outlined, from verifying conditions to checking wiring and sensor functionality, provides a structured approach to resolving the issue. Moreover, Establishing preventive maintenance practices can greatly reduce the chances of this error arising in the future. Ultimately, proper attention to DTC P2123 not only addresses immediate concerns, but also fosters long-term vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.